Hello. Hello there. So, welcome to my channel. We have 10 subscribers. This lighting is kind of really bad, but you know, it's fine. Hi. Today, we are going to make DIY scrunchies, because you know, in my last video, I love scrunchies. Even though my mom wouldn't let me buy any until now. So, it's going to be great. It's going to be lit. And, you know, so right now, I have a scrunchie in my hair, and it's like pink or whatever. But I'm kind of tired, and I should be doing like homework right now. But I decided not to, because YouTube is more important. If I'm going to make a job out of this, and if I'm going to move to LA, school is not important, okay? All my energy needs to go to YouTube, because, yeah. So, first things first, we need to fix this background, because, oh my god. We need to fix this background, because it's not lit. Okay, so I know my acne is happening. Yeah, I have acne just like happening. But you know, it's okay because I kind of look cute. Oh my gosh, I just look so pretty right now. No, I don't. What the frick is wrong with me? Stop changing the subject, Hannah. Focus. I swear I don't have ADHD. Like, I don't. Yeah. My mom's gonna hear me talking to myself and be like, go to bed. But I'm not. I'm done. I'm done. The first thing says, use scrunchies. And hair ties. And I have hair ties. Okay, so, I've got my little fabric. You know, if people are on here looking for like a tutorial or something, yeah. If you didn't see my last video, I don't make tutorials. I make me trying to do stuff and me failing. So, welcome if that's what you're looking for. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I wrote down the measurements that we're supposed to cut it, and I wrote it on the back of my report card. Let's just not talk about that. Okay, that took way too long. Like, that was a struggle, and my piece of fabric is dead. It's dying inside. Just how me. Okay, I got it. So apparently I'm supposed to like fold this, then hot glue it, and then it becomes like one little big thing, and then I'm supposed to put it on a candle, and I'm supposed to I don't even know. Go subscribe to PewDiePie! Because you know what? He needs subscribers, and we need to beat T-Series, because I won't have anybody to watch me if they're all watching T-Series. I'm going to fold this. I really should show you guys what I'm doing, but I mean, why? You're like listening to me talk, and we're ranting, and we're at a TED Talk. No. I just realized this is not the same width right here as right here. I'm gonna kill myself. I hate cutting fabric because I don't have fabric scissors, and the scissors that I have are, I mean, not that great scissors, and I just want to kill myself. No, I'm taking way too much off. Okay, it's fine. It is fine. I think I'm taking too much off, and then I don't want to be cutting and then cutting. It's like hair. If you cut one piece off, and then it's uneven, so you have to cut the other piece off. But then it's uneven again, so you have to cut the more off the other side, and then you just keep cutting until you end up with a shaved head. I freaked it up. It's hot in this room, but I don't want the audio of my fan. I don't like this. I don't like this. I mean, it's good content, yeah. Like, why can't I just do a mukbang? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what to talk about. Oh, by the way, I have soccer practice tomorrow. I had soccer practice today, and it ain't it. Like, I got there, and I was chilling, and then we were late to practice, and Our new coach is apparently like really like stickler for, oh my god, you're late, come here now. Yeah, so I got there. And I haven't been going to conditioning because I don't want to. I don't want to run. Like, I mean, I don't know. I do stuff. I'm busy. I'm in basketball because I'm a baller, babe. Gosh dang it, Lordy, I'm gonna kill you. Yeah, so I'm a baller, babe. So I'm kind of busy with that. I have a game on Thursday. So if it was Wednesday, I could say, hey, I'm Hannah. I have a basketball game tomorrow, but I don't. So, but I do have point game. I can dribble very well. Shooting, layups, but dribbling, that's my thing. I'm screaming. I am screaming. Ah! It's so jagged. I hate. I don't know. It's fine. Time to get out the glue gun. Oh no! Ah, it's hot. Hannah, it's a hot glue gun. What do you think? I want some cookie dough. I have cookie dough downstairs, and I'm waiting on my mom to go to sleep so I could eat some because I was trying to get some earlier, and she heard me, and then she yelled at me. So we got the little boom boom. I want it to be flat and hard. I'm so funny. Okay, so the girl in the video got like a candle by me. No, it's too big. That was so unnecessary. Why did I do that? This isn't working. Oh my gosh, this kind of looks like a dress. So she folded it and then she glued it. I'm gonna start on this side. I'm burning the fabric. Oh my god. Ah, I did it inside out. Wait, there's no way I can do that without, you know what, I don't even care because I'm not gonna wear this scrunchie. So it's just for your enjoyment. You're welcome. I need a new glue stick. Oh my god. I forgot it was behind me. Man down. Ah! And all these YouTubers, they are not determined enough because they keep saying, oh my god, they can't upload because they have schoolwork. Well, you know what? I have schoolwork, but I'm not doing it for you because you are my top priority. No, I put way too much of that in there. It's fine. You're my top priority. And I take top priorities very seriously. And you know, homework, never heard of it. Like, midterms, nah, they don't matter. Oh, I just burnt myself. Don't give Hannah a glue gun. It's fine. God, I just burnt myself again. I'm almost done, y'all. I'm cruising like it's a bruising. What? Gosh dang it. My lotion has 12 months on it. Yo, it's been like 3 years old. I have so much lotion because people love me and they give me lotion. Or they're trying to say that my hands aren't smooth, but you know, or my legs are ashy. But I try not to think about that. I try not to think about the impending consequences of my life. Where did that come from? What? A little update. We have 10 subscribers. Oh, wait, I already said that. But we have 10 subscribers. And most of them are my friends from high school. And friends, if you're watching this, I know you are watching this because I'm making you. Thank you for subscribing. And, you know, please give me a shout out to people that don't know me, but are going to watch my videos because I don't really want people that aren't my close friends at high school to watch this. I don't want to get bullied. I don't really want to go to school. Why can't I be a YouTuber and just drop out? Like, people, I don't know what you're missing on, but you're not giving me the views I need to drop out of school. Like, I'm kind of done with school. Like, y'all need to help me. Give me the subscriber count. Give me the time watched. I want to drop out. Oh my God. That looks so cute. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God. So this was the finished product. It's a scrunchie and that looks awful. What if I just trim the edges a little bit? Like, I've got purple all over it. What if I paint it? Hannah's a guru. I just want to cut my hair. But I can't because my mom said I would look like a hooker. So we can't do that. I don't get what I want in this life. I think we did this 10 out of 10. It's beautiful. I'm going to take my hair out. Ow! This is a professional scrunchie. It was $1 at CVS. It's got a couple threading mistakes. That's why we used hot glue. It's that's hot. So this is a good scrunchie. This is our scrunchie. Whoop whoop, and we're going to use it. So it's not very stretchy. I don't know if you can't. Oh wait, I see it. Yo, wait, that actually kind of looks good. Ooh, okay. I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow with this sweatshirt because I don't feel like changing. I mean, I have a bunch of homework to do in the morning because I'm not gonna do it tonight, and I'm probably just gonna go and watch a bunch of YouTube videos. I'm kind of bored, so what do y'all want to do now? What if we just play with hot glue? Like, what if we make like a snowman? I'm gonna use my CoverGirl thing.
I don't know what y'all. You better stop! Bitch, stop!
Money shot. That really hurt. Ow! Wait, what if I burn my wart off? Bad idea. Ow! Bad idea. Ow! Ow! Oh my God! I can't touch it. Ow. My plan of action on getting rid of my wart is to just put hot glue over it. That looks disgusting, and you're welcome. And my face is disgusting, so I'm gonna back up. But this is my wart problem. It's, disgusting. I'm sorry you have to watch this, but I have no other content to give you, so. Whoa, that's nuts. Oh my God, I love that. It's like, who needs slime when you have hot glue? Like, so apparently, if you go get your brush and you put it in the water and you're like, it will clean it. I need to stop touching hot glue. It's just like a fetish of mine. I love touching hot glue. My goodness. It's so amazing. I love it. Wait, what if I make an acrylic nail out of hot glue? I am brilliant. Oh, I unplugged. Ah! That hurts. Ow, what am I doing? What was I thinking? What is wrong with me? I'm sorry. You have to go through this and watch this. So I'm gonna end the video here. Actually, have you seen those videos on Musical.ly where they turn into a boy yeah, I'm Justin Bieber. Yo, what's up? Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Have a nice day.